Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. We are back with another Cash App related video. And in today's Cash App video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can set up and use your Cash App. So it's pretty simple to set up and use Cash App. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to download Cash App, and it's available in your Play Store and App Store. So you can download it. It's going to look just like this. You want to search for Cash App and download it. After downloading it, you want to open Cash App and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, it's basically gonna show you to this page. Now once you're in this page, so basically Cash App is used to send and receive money. So that's basically why Cash App was developed, to send and receive money. So if you want to send money to somebody, you can choose which currency you wanna send to by clicking on where it says USD over here and changing your currency over here as well, from like USD to Bitcoin. Let's say you want to send $12 to your friend. You can just type 12 over here and you can click on pay. Once you click on pay, you need to enter the name, cash tag of the person, or you want to enter his SMS or email, whichever thing you have. And if you want to add a note to that person saying I'm sending this money because I borrowed it, or it's a gift money, you can write whichever thing you want. It's optional, but this thing is mandatory. You need to enter this, otherwise you can't send money. And remember, when you're entering the name of the person, enter the correct name. If you mistype a name or send the money to a wrong person, your money is gone. It's not going to be refunded. So keep that in mind and type the name of the person carefully and then click on pay and the money will be paid. And if you want to request some money with somebody, you need to enter the amount of money you want to request. When to click on request, and you want to enter the cash tag of the person, and you can enter why you want to borrow money from the person. It's optional though. And after entering the name, you want to click on request and the request will be sent to the person. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can request money, send money. So that's basically how you guys use Cash App, because there's no more thing to Cash App, because it's basically developed to send and receive money. So there's not much thing in Cash App, but there's this new feature of this Bitcoin thing and cryptocurrency thing. You can come over here and you can invest in other stuff over here like stocks and other stuff in this section. So you can come over here and invest in stock. If you want to go on Bitcoin, you can click on Bitcoin to invest in Bitcoin and stocks. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Cash App with some extra feature of this little investing section over here now. So yeah, hope you guys found our video helpful. If you did, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And until next time, have a nice day.